Officially our last morning in the van. We have to return this guy in just a couple of hours and it was so sad. But first we have a couple things that we need to do to make sure we're all ready to go. And Nate's doing the most fun part, the waste.
We had nearly the entire checklist done to start driving, and then we realized we forgot to pay for our parking spot last night. Done? We knew the other day that our data was gonna run out from Vodafone, which is why we went into the store to re-up it. When we went to the store, they told us everything was fine, and we wake up this morning with no data. And we have to return the car today, and we don't know how to get back, and we have to catch a train today. We don't know how to get there. We need to have our tickets ready. There's, of course, our email. So we need data today more than most days. And of course, it's gone. So we're at a McDonald's right now, so we can connect to the Wi-Fi, find a Vodafone, go to another Vodafone, and hopefully get our data back so we can have it today. We always try. We always try so hard. It seems like there's always something we have to combat on a travel day.
Do we have data?
Yeah.
Oh, we had to spend money, huh?
I'm so scared. We don't have a ticket for the tolls. And we came up to one where we pay. But we literally just got on the freeway. I don't know what to do.
La chiamata è stata ricevuta. Prego restare in attesa senza scendere dal veicolo.
2:30.
Grazie.
All right, €2.30. We're on our way again. That was so weird.
We wound down this van pretty good, pretty much out of power. Water's damn near gone, and we almost perfectly nailed the gasoline. But it is like a nudge under, and I know if we take it back, they're gonna charge us for it. So we're getting just a little bit of gas, and then we're like 10 minutes away from returning this bad boy. How sad.
We have 2 minutes until our drop-off time. So I have to pack the van really quick.
You just hanging out?
I'm late, yeah. Did you see me? I
Hustling.
ran around like a mad person.
You did crazy fast. You did great.
It was not fast. It took me 40 minutes.
We just finished our walkthrough with the final check. Everything went well. I think he's actually taking us to the train station. We thought we had to walk. This will go faster.
Yeah.
We are probably going to miss a train, and then we'll have to wait for another one, but it sure beats walking here with all of this crap for 20 minutes. So we're gonna head inside. Hopefully we catch one, and if we don't, we'll wait comfortably. This place is empty.
I'm gonna go try and figure out this.
Okay.
Never mind.
Under maintenance.
Got about 15 minutes left, so we're gonna actually head downstairs so that we don't miss this train, because who knows when it would come again.
All right, we should be there at 1:47, so it's an hour train ride. It's a long time.
Please don't forget your luggage and personal belongings.
That's it? Yeah. We are officially in Milan, and of course, train station's beautiful. We have all of our luggage with us, and 7 hours until our train. So we're gonna go explore as much as we can and get our last dinner in Italy. It's like one of our favorite things to do in Italy is eat. But we gotta put our luggage somewhere. So that is our next goal. Excited much?
What? Okay, we dropped our luggage off at a hotel we stay at quite frequently. Now we're heading to the metro station because it's like 30 minutes to get to where we're going next.
Walking.
Walking.
Only like 7 minutes.
Only 7 minutes on metro. I like 7 minutes because I'm really hungry right now.
With our 7 hours, we knew the one thing we had to do was see the Duomo. So we jetted down here on the metro and we saw it with the sun still on it, and it's incredible. Also, I just love big plazas with tons of people and music and birds and dogs and I love it here already, and I've been here for like 2 minutes. I love when a city just like captures you like that. Milan and Madrid. M's. How interesting. Look at this beautiful gelato. It's like a rose.
Oh, it's beautiful. I want one. I forgot we're leaving Italy. I want gelato.
Okay, it's so pretty.
What did you get though?
Stracciatella on the outside, a vanilla with like Madagascar bourbon, and then caramel apple.
Get out of here. That sounds so good.
Yeah, isn't it so pretty?
It is.
I'm so excited about it. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, that looks good. Cheers! Our last gelatos in Italy.
So sad.
We're in a very expensive part of the city. We just walked by a restaurant that had a happy hour, and Aperol Spritz was on that happy hour for a whopping 13 euros. This is literally at least double, if not like 4 times what we normally pay for an Aperol Spritz. Crazy. 3 times maybe.
Look at all these Christmas lights. It's like Disneyland. Oh my gosh, so my grandma used to set something up like this every year. We used to help her, and she had like a table in the living room where it had these like little ornaments, and we set up the town, and it had like a hill that we had to make like with books, and it had snow. This is so cute. It literally like looks like this, except we did not have a ski lift. That's a little extra.
Honestly, that's pretty cool.
Do they have a no littering sign? There's a popcorn factory. They have like little like beer kegs and they're like twirling them out. Really? Do you see them back there?
Okay, back to the metro. We're going to dinner. We're starving. And we need some pasta before we leave.
Our very last dinner in Italy. It's been like a month here. The food came so fast, but we got lasagna and something else I forgot. Something. pork. We love red sauce and meaty red sauce. I know that's probably really American, but this lasagna has a red meat sauce and that has a red pork sauce. It looks really good with all that melted cheese on there. We're sharing.
What?
Yeah, I want some of that. Oh.
I've never seen such a crispy like lasagna.
Doesn't it look good?
Yeah, it looks really good.
This is our first lasagna in Italy, actually. It lives up to the hype. This is really good. Oh, it's so meaty. You're gonna love this, babe. And cheesy. Not as good as your mom's, though.
It's very delicious. Very satisfying last meal here in Italy.
We're stuffed. We've killed as much time as pasta will allow. And we're on our way to pick up our luggage and head to the train tonight, but that is for a different video. So we hope you enjoyed our last day of van life and hanging out with us here in Milan for just a little bit. If you did, hit the like button below. And if you want to stamp your passports with us again,
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the train tonight.
see you there.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh, I did it again. Did you run into something?
I ran into a tree.
Did you really?
Like straight into it. Oh my god, babe, look, it's Italy. We gotta go there, yeah? Oh my god, do you think they have the chocolate chip cookies?